Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage. And as you know, I've been trying to find the perfect solution for a place to put my phone when I'm driving around town in my Pontiac or my Porsche. So today we have a different holder for you guys to check out. This one here is one of those Magsafe ones. It has a little magnet to grab a hold of your phone instead of a thing where you slide it in. So let me show you this thing and let's get to hooking it up and see if it works better than the other one we previewed a couple weeks ago. So this right here is the original one that they sent me, and I really like it. And it has the mount that does on top of the dashboard. The dashboard cover covers it up really well. I truly, really liked it. Been using it for several weeks now. Total game changer. But the guys came back and said, hey, we think we have a better idea for you. We want to send you this thing. So this little sucker here is all metal, just like the other one is, but has a smaller attachment point to where we can put that in a better location with that sticky thing. So I'm thinking right about right here is probably going to be the best spot for that and have that hooked up. So I think that's the plan. We're going to move it down there. It's a MagSafe one, so it should be pretty simple. I don't have to grab for it. I can just grab it off the handle here. So let's get this thing installed and let's see if it's any better than this one. So right here, I think is going to be that perfect little spot. You can see between the dials, it will slide right in there pretty damn good and have just that little bit of an overgap, and that will be, I think, the best spot to put this new MagSafe holder. We'll just rip that little thing off. We'll stick it right there, and we should be good to go on this one. All right, so it comes with this little tiny little wipe. Here, we'll go ahead and we'll rub this down, this rubbing alcohol, get all the grease and wax and dirt and film that's on there, and we will make that perfect. Let that dry off, and then we'll attach it. Got to peel this little sticker off right here. Go ahead and get that off. Now that it's off, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We'll take this, and we will stick it right where it needs to go. And we got to wait 24 hours before you attach anything to it. All right, so it's been about 24 hours. It's in place, and it's in there. That's sticky pretty damn good. So we have phone. Let's see here. How does this work? Just clip it up. Look that. I like. Look, and then it rotates. What? That's kind of cool. I like it. I like this. All right, so let me go over a few things. So this here is the original one that they sent me, and I like it. I like the fact that it's right here, but what I didn't like was all the attachments in order to get it to sit up there. And remember, that right there was not working the best for me. But this thing here, it rotates this way. You can push it out this way, bend it back that way. I mean, it's got some different ways. And the fact that this just, bam, and I can pull it, that's the game changer. So this is by far my most favorite in the last probably 5 or 6 years for a car mount, just to have that up there like that. So that is a win for me. There'll be a link down below. Grab yourself one of these and help support the channel. But yeah, that is cool. Now, it does not charge it, but you got your cord here, so you can use that to charge it up if need be and just stick it right there. But I like the fact I'm in and out of my car all day long, and I can just grab it and go, sit it there and go, and no more worries. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching.